Every year during the second half of May, Festival of Roses and Rose Water is being held in Kashan, Iran. Many people from different parts of the country and abroad visit Kashan, the hub of Mohammadi roses in Iran. The season for picking roses and preparing rose water is from early May to mid-June. Rose water is made from a very sweet-smelling type of roses, and it is used in various traditional dishes and sweets, and it is also used as perfume. Although some modern mechanized factories are constructed, but still a large part of this, let's say, industry is done traditionally.